guys, and welcome back. So we're going to be going over this stack here from Archer and Olive because I did order some stuff from their spring collection, Beneath the Willows, as well as a couple other things that I wanted from a couple different collections. So I'm just going to start, and we're going to move this over, and we're going to start with a couple that aren't from the spring collection. So the first one here is an 8x8. I'm gonna try to get you guys a little closer. There we go. So this is an 8x8. This is from the Winterscapes 2024. It has Winterscapes there. And I really liked this one. So the boxes are really nice. On the back, this is called the Fox in Winter Woods. It is vegan leather. It is a dot grid notebook, as well as it has 160 ultra thick, 160 GSM pages. So we're gonna open this guy up first. I did unwrap these already. Pop them down here and pull this guy out. So it is, like I said, again, it is a vegan leather. I'm going to zoom you guys out just a tad. And this is from the Winterscapes. I just absolutely loved this one. Can't wait to use it. But if we open it, we do have foiled trees on the side. It is dot grid. We do have 2 bookmark ribbons. Oops, come on. In this dark green. And we have a silver ampersand for Archer and Olive. It does have the pocket in the back. It has the pen loop here, as well as the strap. So that is the first notebook. I'm using an 8x8 notebook for my reading journal this year. So I might end up using this one for a reading journal. And I'm just going to stick them back right here. So that's journal number 1. Journal number 2 is this B5 notebook. Oops. This is the it's dot grid, 160 pages with 160 GSM, ultra thick paper. This is the B5 Coffee and Books with a linen cover. I forgot what collection this one came from. But here it is. It's like this pretty bluish green color with rose gold. We have our strap. We have a pen loop. If we open it up, we have nice like rose gold foiling from foliage. And then it is again dot grid. It does have the pocket in the back. And this one, the ribbons are a navyish bluish color with a rose gold ampersand. So we have this one. Haven't quite decided what I want to use this one for either, but we will find out. Thought about maybe trying to do my hand at a bullet journal for my social media, but we'll see, because I kind of like my Erin Condren monthly. So that was notebook number 2. I am not affiliated with them. I just really love their notebooks. So I bought these with my own money. If you hear noise in the background, my kid is awake. Okay, so I do have 2 notebooks here from the spring collection. So this first one is in B5. It is the Swan Pond. It is vegan leather. Again, it is a dot grid, and it does have the 160 ultra thick paper, or 100 pages, and then it does have 160 GSM. So this one is vegan leather with the gold foiling. I absolutely love this. So pretty. We have gold foiling on the inside with lily pads and the swan. It is dot grid. We have 2 light blue ribbons with a gold ampersand. It does have the pocket in the back, a pen loop, and the ribbon to hold it shut. I like their dot grid. Their boxes are amazing. Oops. Sorry about that. I like that they're starting to put what collection it belongs to. So on the side of it, on the bottom here, it does say Beneath the Willows 2025. Sorry about that. And then the last notebook is this one here. And then I have one other thing. Oh, this one is a big boy. So this one is the letter size. It is the lovely Lilies Heirloom notebook. It has a buckram cover dot grid notebook, 160 ultra thick pages with 160 GSM. So I love lilies. Lilies are my favorite flower, but I absolutely loved this notebook. So it is a letter size. It is different than the B5. So I'm going to pull out my B5 notebook really quick to show you. So this is my B5 notebook. It is taller, obviously. And then if they are side by side, the letter size obviously is bigger. So how this notebook works is... Okay, go ahead, play Minnie Mouse. Okay. Just throw that in. Let me go and help her, and I'll be right back. All right, I got her set up. Okay, so I do know Debbie from Books and Bujo is using one of these notebooks, not this particular one, but a letter size for her reading journal. And I absolutely loved it. But it's this nice sage green. We have the ribbon enclosure. We do have our pen loop still. We have gold foiling with lilies. This is a large notebook. It is dot grid. It has this really pretty green ribbon with a gold ampersand. This one does have a pocket as well. Like I said, this notebook is just, it's gorgeous and large and in charge. She lets you know. I am on the back, you still get the really pretty foiling and like almost feels a little debossed. Oh, I love this one so, so, so much. I think I might take a page out of Books and Bujo next year for 2026 and use this as my reading journal because I feel like it is so versatile. You can do so much with it. But I might have to buy myself another one because I just love lilies. Lilies are just my favorite flower, and yeah. So that is this one. Oh, I just love this one. And the cover is just so smooth. So that is the Lovely Lilies Heirloom. Put you right back there. So those are the notebooks that I got. These boxes are also really, really nice. They're thick. So really love that. And then I did go ahead and I swatched these out for us. I don't have any Calliographs, and I really wanted to try them out. So I picked up Beneath the Willow Calliographs. These are water-based, non-toxic. And I do have them already swatched out for us right here. So these are all 10 colors. This is another Archer and Olive. But notebook that I'm using. But the first color here is this pale peach. They do now include stickers for labels. So there is a label on that. Focus, focus, focus. It's not focusing. But it does have a label, and it does say pale peach. We have, I'm just going in no particular order. This one is soft chartreuse, sorry, which is this color here. And I really do like how these like draw. I think they're really nice. I love the fine tip and the way that it writes, because it just writes so nice. And I feel like my handwriting is a lot better. This one is called Spring Bud, which is right here, which is this nice, like, it has the, from the Lily Pond notebook, kind of the spring bud matches the ribbon bookmarks. I have the Swoop Blue, which is this nice color blue here. We have the Swan Pink, which is right here. We have the Foggy Pond, which I put up here, which is like a green. This one is Seagrass, which is a pretty one. This one is a Frog Green, and the Frog Green is right here. Lotus Pink, it's like a pinkish purple. And this one is the Stormy Sky, which is a navy blue. So that is like my small little haul that I got from the spring collection. And again, I picked up a couple extra things while I was at it, because some of them were on sale. I do I like to try to keep them in the packaging for now, but I don't know if they'll stay like this, to be completely honest. And it's not going back in. Why aren't you going in? This would be why. Come on. Oops. There we go. And they just all go right back into the packaging. I think the packaging from Archer and Olive is just so gorgeous. I've got the swan down here. But anyway, that is my haul from Archer and Olive. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have a video hopefully in the coming weeks. I'm just waiting on it to come in the mail, which is my Archer and Olive subscription box. And I do have some extra notebooks. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.